Panoorin natin ngayon ang naging performance ni Angelica Lopez sa National Costume Show ng Miss International 2024. And currently, it's Peru. So next na si Philippines.
Let's go!
Ayan na. Philippines!
Yes! Okay.
Solo nakaka-excite. Another
natin.
Patrick Eserena. Yan,
wow.
white. All white siya, guys, because I think this costume is called
The Pearl of the Orient Seas. So
yes.
It's all about pearl. Kitang-kita naman kasi puti. Ang bongga, no? Bongga pag si Patrick Eserena.
Very grand pag Patrick Eserena.
Sige, go. Work it out.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan,
may nalaglag na part. So sad.
Okay lang.
Go
Sige,
lang.
go.
Oh.
Sige.
Yan, sige pa.
Yes!
Kung Miss International National Costume, in one or two words, nakita mo naman yung ibang costumes ng mga girls ng ibang countries. So, how would you describe it?
Napaka pure but grand. Alam
Pure
mo yun?
but grand. For me, traditional and conservative.
Oo.
That's Miss International.